Vertical kick is one of the best ways to get better at freestyle, backstroke, and butterfly. In this video, we will tell you why. By kicking vertically, you force yourself to kick fast and effectively, because if you don't, you sink and you can't breathe. You will need to kick narrow and fast. You will feel how your knees need to be a little bent while going this way and straight while going back. Feel how your ankles point down. The power of your kick originates from your core and goes through your quads, your hamstrings, your calves, all the way to your toes. Try rotating 90 degrees using only your kick. There are different levels of difficulty. For example, having your hands by the side of your head is easier than having them on a streamline. Also, it is more difficult to do butterfly kick, but it is a very good way to work your core. Try it out for 10 seconds with your hands like these, just above the surface of the water. And once you get better, try going for longer and in a streamline. A very good workout is to do 10 times 30 seconds of this, alternating between flutter kick and dolphin kick. Once you practice enough, try doing some underwater kicks or full stroke backstroke or whatever stroke and see the difference. We're excited to bring you more tutorials, new swim cap designs, and new things in the upcoming months. So make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching, Skillers. See you next time. Swim fast!